Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my personal skincare routine specifically for keeping my skin looking more youthful. I'm going to be turning 28 in about a month, so my 30s are definitely right around the corner, and I'm kind of in that beginning stage where I'm having to readjust my skincare routine and focus on solutions and techniques that are gonna have that kind of anti-aging effect. By the way, before I go ahead and jump into today's video, I do want to mention that this video is not sponsored, so any products that I go ahead and showcase to you are just a personal recommendation. Now, I do earn a small commission through most of these products that I will show you today. However, because I am an Amazon affiliate, I don't mean to sound like pretentious or anything, but I pretty much can earn a commission on any product that really exists. So just to let you know, the products that I showcase today are products that I genuinely recommend and that I use myself. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and chop this sucker up into two segments, my morning and nighttime routine, just to keep things simple and understandable. So to go ahead and kick off my morning routine, I'll always go ahead and cleanse my face with a gentle wash just to have that nice clean slate. Me personally, I like to go with a gentle wash because it's gonna wash your face without stripping its natural oils. Now, a key ingredient that I highly recommend for anti-aging is retinol. Above all else, get your hands on retinol. Retinol is actually known to reduce wrinkles and stimulate collagen. So after I go ahead and wash my face, I will apply my moisturizer, which includes retinol and many other natural ingredients known to help nourish, heal, and smooth out skin. Now, whether it's sunny, cloudy, or even if you spend all your days indoors in a cubicle, the sun will always percolate its way through just about anything, including windows, just to find your skin. And as most of us know, the sun is very damaging to our skin due to its harmful UV rays. So a simple sunscreen with SPF will definitely work as a shield to protect you from wrinkles and damaged skin. Men are actually twice as likely to get skin cancer than women, so be mindful of this and don't neglect sunscreen. By the way, for anybody looking for a lip balm that has SPF in it, Jack Black's is pretty solid, so I'll go ahead and link that down below. By the way, before I go ahead and jump into my nighttime skincare routine, which me personally I think is the most important aspect of one's skincare routine as a whole, I do want to mention that having good skin is also achieved from the inside out. You can add all these topicals you want, but having good skin also comes from within. Your body, this vessel right here is basically like a whole integrated system. So taking in your daily vitamins, your probiotics, omega-3s, antioxidants, and of course, water will keep those skin cells hydrated and performing at the top of their game. Also, be very, very cautious of drinking, smoking, eating lots of sugar, as these things will definitely do major damage on your skin over time. Now, jumping into my nighttime skincare routine, the nighttime, like I've said in so many previous videos before, it's so important because your skin is basically in repair mode. So once a week, I'll go ahead and exfoliate my skin. I'll usually do this before I shave. Exfoliation is great for removing that barrier of dead skin so all your products can penetrate more deeply, making them more effective on your skin. By the way, all the products that I showcase in today's video, I will go ahead and link them down below. And for those products that do have promo codes, I will put those down below as well. Now, when it does come to my nighttime skincare routine, I definitely do put in a little bit more effort. My primary focuses are to cleanse, hydrate, and repair. So once again, I will go ahead and cleanse my face using my gentle wash. And then once I am done with that, I will, just like I did in the morning, apply my moisturizer. Typically, I'll go ahead and use the same moisturizer as I do in the mornings. However, Terry from Travertine has kind of been spoiling me and my wife a little bit lately, and he actually sent me out a gift package. And within that gift package, he included the Prickly Pear Nighttime Hydration, which includes many healthy ingredients such as green tea and vitamin C. For those of you that don't know, vitamin C is basically like a powerhouse ingredient that works wonders for the skin, including brightening it for the day ahead. And now, a step that I feel most men tend to neglect is really focusing on the eye and neck area. And now this is a big one because these two areas are where we as men really start to show age firstly. So don't forget to moisturize the neck area, and as far as the eyes, a simple eye gel will do the trick. A little definitely goes a long way. I personally go for the sides, underneath the eye, and in between my brow. And now, just to lock everything in for the night, something that I just started doing recently that I will be doing now for the rest of my life is finishing off my skincare routine with a facial oil. Now, the reason why I do this last is because oils take much longer to absorb than moisturizers. And so if I applied my oil first, let's say, then applied my moisturizer on top after, the moisturizer is gonna do nothing but just sit there ineffectively doing nothing. But if I apply my moisturizer first, then the oil is gonna work like a cover or a barrier, locking all that moisture in. So basically, when you do this right and you apply your moisturizer, then your oil on top, your skin is gonna be in an all-night hydrating and repairing frenzy. And just like our face, I am a firm believer in moisturizing our bodies as well, just to keep things nice and tight for the future ahead. And I'm sure, as you've noticed, most of the products that I used in today's video are from Travertine Spa, and that's simply because their products are impacted with antioxidants and anti-aging ingredients that will be feeding your skin with rich nutrients all day and all night long, just to ensure that you're keeping your skin in its healthiest state. Ultimately, when you and your friends start hitting your 30s and your 40s, your skin is going to be looking very youthful at this point, while everyone else, I'm sad to say, might be looking, they might be aging quick, unless they start putting in that work and start putting in that extra effort like you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you dug it, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and be sure to hit that notifications button to be informed when I drop new content. And if you have any other recommendations or things, some anti-aging secrets and stuff like that for skincare, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I would love to check it out. Me personally, I learn so much from you guys every time you comment back and just kind of interact with me. All that feedback really helps me out in my personal life, on YouTube, on a business side of things and everything else. So I appreciate all the feedback that you guys constantly give me, even the criticism as well. So I'll talk to you all very, very soon. My name is Drexler. Shaka bra.